These are all the candles that I made today. Yes, these are the candles. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am here trying to make some candles. The holiday is coming and I have to make candles to mail out to friends. So, I don't know how many I'm going to make right now, but these are the stuff I'm going to use for making the candles. And if you want to get a recipe, look down in the description box. I have one that I made there. I'm going to put it in the description box. But right now I'm just making candles. I'm recycling my old candles jars and I'm making more candles. So these are the stuff that I'm going to use for the candles. Okay, starts from here. These are the jars I'm going to use to make candles and ship them up to family. These are 8 ounces. So I love them. I mean, it's not red, but it's purple, but I love these colors. And this is the wick. And these are the jars that I'm recycling. I'm going to use this to melt the candles in. These are going to hold the wick with the glue. This is my thermometer. And these are the fragrance that I'm going to use. I'm using PassionFruit and Guava. And I'm using Mango Madness. I'm going to use the both of them. And this is the Soywax that I'm going to use. So, okay, for the candle, I'm going to use this to melt the candles in. And these are 8 ounces. So, if you want to make candles for these, you're going to use double of these for one candle. So, I know it's 8 ounces and I'm going to use my measuring cup, so it's 8. So, I'm using 3 of these. So, this 1 cup, 8 ounces, and I'm going to put them in here. Okay. Here's 1. I got the pot on and the stove is on, so I'm going to put this in and let it melt down. And then I'm going to start making candles. Yes. So this is going to take a little while. So just going to go in there. Just put that down. The Soywax melts fast, so it won't take too long. With this, I'm going to make 2 candles, and then I'm going to come back and make more after that. So while this is melting, let's go back in there and start getting other things ready. Okay, while the candle is the wax is melting, we're going to start putting the wick into the jar. Got these 3 jars. This is the wick. Now how you get that there, you peel this off. Put this on here. And then peel that out. See, peel that out and take this, put it in the middle. Because you want your work to be in the middle. And then what I do, I take this and put this down. There you go. Put this on there and let it sit. Get to the next one. You can see it's melting. We want everything to melt. Put it on low. Still got a little more to melt. I'm going to look at it and see what's the temperature it is. It's 150 right now. $170. It's 180. $185. So I'll take this down and let it cool off to 135 to 140. Then I put the fragrance in. Okay, it's 137. So we're looking for it to be 135 to 140. So it's 137. That's okay. Put this here. Stirring. And now I'm going to use Mango Madness. I'm going to put like maybe 16 drops in there. Here, and this is where it's going to stay for 24 hours. I will not move it, nothing. So. This in here. Pour it slowly. Okay. There's a little bit left in here. I'm going to wait because they would want to make 2. So when this settle in, I can warm this up and put it in there. Until then, I will see you in 24 hours so you can see how it looks. I'm going to make more with these. Like, I love this. I'm going to use some coloring with this and make a star. And I'm going to make some in here. So I am still making candles all day. Till then, we see you in 24 hours. Okay, it has been over 24 hours and I'm going to cut all the wick and get the candle going, okay? I started cutting them. I already cut this one. I cut it up. And that, and I'm going to cut this. Yeah. Now that I cut them up, these I'm just gonna close it up. Look how that is. Kind of cute, right? Smells good. Smells good. All right. They all smell good. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and do not forget to share. These are my candles for the holiday. I'm going to start shipping them out to friends and family. And I'm going to leave some in the house too. So, till then, I say peace and out. Thank you.